Okay guys, got the 2021 Jaguar F-Type R, new body style, completely redesigned. Gorgeous car. Gonna do a start up, let you hear the exhaust. V8, 550 horsepower. Always turn that exhaust button off. Want it to be louder. Oh God. Sounds so good. Serious. So they just redesigned the front end, added some new gadgets to it. If you want a comparison of what the old body style looks like, I'll show you. I think it's much better. Here's the previous body style. So you can see the front end's a little different. So yeah, that's the new 2021. We'll give it some gas. Yeah. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video.